I use my AJAZZ Stream Dock primarily with OBS, but I know it can be useful in lots of other programs and apps. In the few apps I've tried to connect it to, there are definitely some limitations. The controller software has an app store with plugins that work with a limited number of apps. For example, there are a bundle of buttons that say they work with Photoshop. I installed the button pack, but so far I can't get it to work. Maybe it was designed for an older version of Photoshop. I set up a button configuration for Adobe Premiere Pro, but unfortunately, just like Photoshop, I think the plugin is built for an older version of Premiere. You can set buttons to open certain apps, but the list of apps seems to be incomplete. For example, I don't see Photoshop or Premiere on the list of apps that I have downloaded on my computer. It does work to create buttons that are hotkeys, just like pressing the keys on the keyboard. There are no specific plugins for programs like Blackmagic's ATEM switcher software or StreamLabs. You can, however, set up a scene full of keyboard shortcuts and keybinds for when certain apps or programs are open. If that's all you use it for, you may as well just hit the keyboard shortcuts on the keyboard. For OBS integration, it activates scenes even when other apps are active and OBS is just minimized in the background. I don't mind speaking honestly about this product. If you're looking for a cheap alternative to the Elgato Stream Deck, you might be disappointed by how much is missing. If you just need a quick button board to open up web links or hotkeys, or if you just need a simple scene switcher for OBS, this might be the cheap alternative for you. If you've figured out a clever use for this thing, let me know in the comments. I'd love to feature some of those ideas in a future video. Catch you on the next one.